Hello everyone. Let's talk about Legeropinion, a platform where your opinions can truly make a difference. This platform rewards you for sharing your thoughts through surveys that fit easily into your schedule. Are you interested in earning rewards while influencing brands? You can sign up at my link and join our community. It's a straightforward way to earn cash or gift cards at your convenience. Additionally, you can invite your friends and earn extra money when they participate. Don't miss this chance. Join Legeropinion today and turn your opinions into rewards. Thank you, and I hope to see you and your friends there.